Hey guys, this is my friend Junior. Let me go ahead and turn on the light here. Okay, fine. I won't do that again. So there's the new moonlight. We're just outside at the dark, but I'm using my iPhone for this. Hey, what the fuck? What's that? Hey, Junior, I saw some. Come on, let's go. I heard some rustling in the bushes over there. Let's go check it out. Hey, I hear a sound. I hear a sound.
What the hell's that?
Do you guys hear that? Here, I'll put the phone closer. It's not doing it anymore. Oh, there it is again. What? Whoa. What is that? Okay, I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna walk away from that. Anyway, we're just outside. We're just, messing around with our friends. There's a car. We're just screwing around, So, yeah. Oh God, there it is again.
Dude, let's go!
Okay.